What's up, CC fam? Welcome back to another YouTube install. Today I'm going to show you guys how to put on the iKon Wickerbill for the iKon spoiler. So I'm going to show you guys what you need: drill gun, rivet gun, drill bits, and that's it. And then here's the supplied hardware. So 6 rivet nuts, 6 screws, 6 aluminum washers. We have the iKon spoiler right here. I don't have the Wickerbill here just yet in a gloss black, so we're going to be using a cardboard example, but it's the same thing, same size, and we're going to show you how to drill it in, drill in the rivet nuts, and show you guys how to install it. And we're going to go ahead and get started right now. All right, so first step of the install, we're going to mask off the back. So we got Ian, he has the he's just got the spoiler in the air using the tape roll right there, and he's just masking off the back, so when we begin to drill, we won't actually ruin or have any way of ruining the spoiler or scratching the paints. So we're just going to mask off the back side, and just make sure to press firmly so it stays nice. All right, Ian has taped off the whole back side, and now he's taping on the Wickerbill. So obviously you guys would have an aluminum one, but we just have cardboard for display, or just make it easier for us. So now start taping down the Wickerbill to the spoiler, so it'll help contour the Wickerbill to the spoiler. And then the next step will be getting a Sharpie and filling in the holes. All right guys, just to try to make sure you get it dead center, you'll be able to see once you get it lined up on here that it should just go right there with that body line. And you just try to do the same thing on the other side as well. And then once you feel good about where your spot is, tape it down and lock it in right there. So once you fill in the holes, whether a Sharpie or pen, just got a nice good center point on the hole, you can start to take off the Wickerbill. And that's where you'll begin to start drilling these 6 holes. So I'll just show you guys every single hole so you can reference. We got one right here, outermost, most outer one. One right there, right there, right there, second to last, and here's the last one. Now this tool isn't necessary, but definitely makes the install easier. Ian has a hole punch, and he's just going dead center on the hole that he drew, and he's just getting a little start right there on the hole to make it easier for drilling, and so that he gets exactly in the middle. Any of these smaller bits, anything smaller than the actual rivet nut itself, just to get your pilot hole for all 6 of them. And then the main one's going to be a 25/64. And just take it up to the rivet nut just to make sure it's the right size, and then you can begin to drill the 6. Alright guys, so we're about to prepare to put the rivet nuts in. Just want to show you one more look at the holes so you can see the placement of where they are on the iKon spoiler. Guys, so what can happen on the 2 middle ones is you might not have enough room for the rivet nut. So what we did right now is just drilled out and cleared out the hole, so it'll have enough room to have the rivet nut sit nice and flush. So now we'll go ahead and press it in. And there we go. Got our first one in there, and I'll show you how it sits nice and flush with the spoiler. So that's how it should sit, guys. Nice and even. Alright guys, we're gonna finish up this video. Sorry we got the laser going on in the back, but we just picked up the Wickerbill from Powder Coat. This is the gloss black finish with the gloss black iKon spoiler. And just to pick up where we left off, the rivet nuts are already in there. Now the last piece is just Ian putting in the washers and the screws. And we'll start off in the middle. You don't have to screw it in all the way, keep it loose. Just give yourself some play. and this is the first one he will put in. Alright guys, I've got both of them here to show you side by side. The smoked acrylic center, if you're wondering how much extra that is 30 bucks extra. You simply put that in between. So you got the Wickerbill center and then the spoiler. So this is the matte black finish with the smoked acrylic center. This is the gloss black finish, also available with the smoked acrylic center. Both really look good, just stealth looking. I'll show you the back side of the smoked acrylic one with the matte black finish on the Wickerbill. So this is how it looks. Again, really clean option. This is not a sticker, guys. This is laser etched. It's not going anywhere. You can feel it. Let me move this guy out of the way, and then I'll flip this guy. Hold on. All right, so here is the back side, or I guess the side you're going to mainly see, which is the matte black side with the acrylic and the CC looking right. There we go. So it looks great. Both are really clean options. I sell gloss black and matte black because I know some of you guys have the different options from iKon. So that's why I offer that. And you can get a raw aluminum if you want to do a different color besides matte or gloss black. And then also the smoked acrylic center as a $30 charge. So here it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I know this might be a long video, but I try to cover everything, cover anything, so that you guys don't ask me later down the road. But this is how they look. This is a complete finish. And then on the website, which I'll link below, you can order these, and there's more pictures of these on the car. So I don't have a second gen on me, so that's why I don't have an example in this video. But I might put the pictures in this video showing you guys how it looks. Otherwise, it'll be in the link below, and there's a lot of pictures on there showing you how these two Wickerbills look on the car. So thank you guys so much for watching. God bless, take care. Until next time, see you guys.